guys, welcome back to another video of Tony's phone collection. Today we're going to be doing a unboxing of a phone I picked up on eBay. I have bought from the seller before. I think this is like the only phone he had last posted. So then picked it up. It is a Samsung. Let's see if I can pull it back off. I don't see where it would come off. Maybe it slides. There it is. It is a Samsung SPH-D700. It's got a little cover for the charging port door. So it looks like it hasn't been moved in a while. I think it was charged. It works just fine. It's in really good shape from what I can see. A few scratches here and there. The paint's kind of rubbed off there from the power button area, but nothing too unusual. There's a Sprint phone, slider. It's got some good use on it, but it seems to work just fine. I also got I got rid of my Note 10 Plus and my iPhone XS Max I got two Galaxy Note 20 Ultras now. One's cracked and one's not, so that is what I'll be recording with now. Here we are. Seems to work just fine. Touchscreen's working just fine. There we go. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one. I guess it's going to shut this off real quick. Alright, there you go. And stay tuned for the next one, guys.